Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. This video is kind of outdated. This is when I kind of first got all of my arts and crafts supplies. So here you can see me using the dry pastels on the mini canvas. And I didn't finish this project, but I did have some time to get that done today, and you shall see the finished product. I also got a piece of toilet paper to do some smudging with the dry pastels as well, as you can see here. And I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks to Amazing Arts as well for this idea. I kind of turned it and made it into my own, and I just got inspiration from this channel because obviously I'm not really an artist yet, but I have done some art in the past, so here we go.